Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. This coming weekend is St. Patrick's Day, and what's better than showcasing a green recipe? In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my spinach and ricotta scrambled eggs. From start to finish, it takes 10 minutes, and you can enjoy a delicious and healthy breakfast. So let's get cooking. In a mixing bowl, we'll add eggs and beat them. To this, we'll add chives, Italian seasoning, which you can get my recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen, followed by hot sauce of your choice, some ground sea salt, and you know me, freshly ground black pepper, both to taste. We'll whisk until nicely blended and set aside. Next, in a skillet over medium heat, we'll add 1 tablespoon of butter. When it's melted and starts sizzling, we'll add our spinach and toss to coat. And oops, one almost escaped. We'll wilt for 2 minutes, stirring often. I left the stems on the leaves because they are baby spinach. But if yours are tough, simply remove them, okay? After a couple minutes, we'll remove from the heat and set aside. Back to the skillet. We'll add the remaining tablespoon of butter, and when it starts bubbling, we'll add our egg mixture. We'll let them cook for about 15 seconds without stirring or until they begin to set. We'll move the mixture across the bottom and side until it forms large, soft curds. Halfway through cooking, we'll add ricotta and our wilted spinach. We'll continue stirring until the eggs thicken or there's no liquid remains, making sure the eggs don't get dry. We'll serve immediately. And my friends, these are our spinach and ricotta scrambled eggs. With a few simple and tasty ingredients, this breakfast is a great way to start your day or use it as an excuse to celebrate St. Patty's Day. It's quick to make and delicious as well. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!